Hello lovelies, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to share with you some of the things I have in my kitchen that helps me to maintain my health and heal myself. And I feel if you know these things, you will never be sick again. And here I have my ginger. I just restocked, and this is my ginger. The ginger is very good for circulation and for pain, for whatever. And then I have turmeric here. Turmeric is also a spice that you will never ever look for in my house. I have lemon, and this is garlic, my powerful antibiotics. And then I have hold on, this is prekese, very important in my house. And then I have my super stick called bagas stick or licorice stick. Very healthy. If you want to know what all these are for, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And here I have this leaf. I've dried them up. It's actually for blood building. Sometimes I just pick some from it and then boil to drink for blood. And here I have some other ones. I just keep them to dry, pampham and some other things, rasta and cold. I also use some of them for spiritual purpose, Alright, I'm also a spiritualist, forget it. And I just made this drink, and this contains turmeric, ginger, lemon and garlic with a little of cinnamon. I just wanted to drink this, and I can tell you that this is very refreshing. It helps you to fight off disease, it helps you to stay healthy, and it helps you to reduce your frequent visit to the hospital. Don't forget that this is the code: reduce your frequent visit to the hospital. It helps you fight common cold, helps you fight typhoid, infections, many things. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and drink it. Just a good life and sound health. Come on, drink with me, guys. Make yours and tell me what you think. What do you think about those drinks? I know some of you are actually making some of those drinks in your house. So look at my face. The ginger was actually merging, and it's giving me some burning hot sensations. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye.